It's supposed.
Alright, yeah, man.
So one red light upon it.
See it there?
You see the red light on it?
Yeah, yes, brother.
Alright, so go there.
Big man, you know.
So I bought a jelly, you know. I bought a jelly coconut right now in Brooklyn. That's what I'm saying.
Yes, man.
So sometimes you can't find them things there. You know what I'm saying? The yard vibes, is it?
Yard vibes.
Wash off the yard, make sure the yard clean, you know. Drink a little one coconut water, you know.
Yes, man. Ching! She my shit, you sharp, you boy. Don't cut off your hand, you know. I say you cut it?
Alright, cut this done now, so you mad?
Oh, yes, sir, brother, you're mad. Yes, man. Look like you both cut off your hand.
Cut this done though.
Isn't the other one supposed to be downstairs?
Yeah, we can't find the other one.
That cut good.
Nah, cut that chop up there, you know. You must say, yo, Mario, make sure you have video.
Yeah, but me have video good, brother. It's alright.
You must say, yo, that you, I know yard you that, yo. You know, we cut coconut. Cut from you.
Sharks, your father.
See there.
Yeah, see there? You don't know if we cut coconut. See that boss there?
Get your water.
You're my only one.
Why with the chicken?
Oh, yeah, that's almost a man.
No.
No, I got no way.
Red grass coconut.
Tig no, I got no way.
I'm joking up this, you know.
But after that, no water in it.
No, look like that, nothing like that joke thing themselves.
Joke thing.
Chop out the juice, little. Not little you, big man.
Chop it like a look at you, come on, know the rest, me I do.
So the water there, splash eye. That can't cut through. You get to the juice.
You suppose it done come already?
For real? Oh no, me still not get to the
Yeah.
Oh.
Still have a cut.
I want to pull up a thing.
Man, them say joke thing the man them
Don't
sell
use
me.
the water, brother.
No, me not bust the water yet.
See
Me not bust the nut yet.
Get that chop there. See there.
Pause.
Okay. Better don't bust no nut.
See there. See there.
So coconut take long to chop, man?
Is your car trying to tell you something?
Go.
You my only one. You my number one. You're one on one. I wanna go one on one with you.
Eh?
One on one.
Liar, that tune your mad.
I want you to want me too.
Tune your mad, man.
One on one.
You know, like, I aim tease the damn tune.
Don't let her make you regret it. They'll be fake if you let them. Don't let her make less out of something that means so much to you.
Yeah, Tagal Jamaican.
I wanna make you
He's
feel
Jamaican. His family Jamaican.
We the untouchable, yeah. You don't have to suffer, no, yeah. Always be custom for you. Only
Weird.
my love into you. You my only one. You my number one. You're one on one. I wanna go one on one with you. One on one. And I want you to want me too. One on one.
After that,
One on one with you.
that nana juice.
Yeah, man, did nothing, man. I'm not bust the coconut yet. Just like the off them there.
Now you wearing bandanas, rocking your man's flannels. Flight to Dubai, gotta pop a Xanax.
And that man took a,
With them body boy antics. Gonna make
Not
you
that, no.
choppers out the attic. I'm a savage.
Yeah, man,
I'm
me see it, man.
savage. Yeah, they laughed at my dream to live in lavish. Need no pretender. We both remember. All these hoes was ghosts before I had the phantom.
Jamaica, Obama,
Before I
got
had
foreign
to wear
review,
my
so we don't know
gun,
it.
get at 'em.
Oh, you go.
Before I
Mario, make sure you have video right now, Carl. You're not for
Shut
me.
your ass, man.
Like about shut off.
You know, them no know say have the juice, Carazone. You am taste the juice there. Them no know say have the juice, man.
This is how you drink a coconut or jelly.
Listen.
So it's a real Jamaican, you know. You have to have the clock.
Refreshing is all me say.
You have to have the clocks on the feet. Step out. Okay. Hey. Skank pon them. Skank. Hey. 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 Get your shoes. Get your shoes. Hey. Get your shoes. Hey. Get your.
Like that. Let's do with them work. I can't see how to just for this.
Be a year. 1 year. Pum pum that. Want a BMX?
Coconut have enough jelly though.
They can't dance.
The Rasta dance there. Them no know more of the jokes, them no know.
Then when you don't drink out the whole of the juice, you bust it in half and you get your jelly. You see me?
Okay.
You see me?
Hey, who got that Lambo? That's the Last King boy, huh? Last King's records taking over for the 2016 till forever.
Busting out,
I got
that's it.
bitches in my
The
swimming
jelly.
pool, real life
Okay.
big models in my living room, down by
Is there no more video? In?
You want to show you cut feet now, but the boy don't know cut coconuts on Facebook, man. Facebook boy don't know cut.
Okay. Joke thing them.